Hello, it's How To Not To, and today I'm going to be showing you how to fix a hole in the wall. So the first thing you want to do is remove any loose plaster. So I'm going to take a small hammer and a screwdriver to remove the loose plaster. As you can see, it's starting to come out easily. It goes as far back as the up to the roof. So I'm just going to remove any loose plaster with this brush. And as you can see, a dead wasp has fell out. There used to be a wasp hive just outside the bedroom window, and this little wasp here tried to get into the bedroom by squeezing through the gaps or the cracks in the wall. But lucky for me, it only got this far through the gap. Okay, so I'm now going to spray the area with water to enable the foam to stick to the wall, and that's what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using expanding foam to fill this deep gap. So I'm just going to wear my protective gloves and screw on the nozzle and insert the tube. So before you apply the foam, remember to give the can a really good shake. So I'm now going to place the tube as far back as I can in the hole, and the foam will expand twice its size, so it should fill this gap in easily. I mean, I like using expanding foam as it's easy to use and it quickly fills in any deep gaps that you have without any fuss. So I'm going to leave that to expand a bit more and to properly dry, which will take about approximately 12 hours. Ooh. It's now ready to cut away, and the best tool I find to do this job is by using a bread knife. Ooh. Once you've cut as much foam off, the next thing to do is sand it down. Does it remind you of anything? Okay, finally I'm going to use this quick drying polyfiller. So I'm going to apply some of that on there and smooth it out with this metal tool. And again, I'm going to sand it down, and that is it. So here's a before shot. And here's the after shot. And that's how you fill deep gaps in walls. I do hope this video has been helpful. Please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. And finally, I'm now going to make myself a nice cup of tea.